Did I spend way too much money on a hair tool? Maybe. It's definitely a splurge, so let's find out if it's worth the money. Quick disclaimer, I am a no hair professional, okay? I learned it on my own and I simply picked it up by watching other tutorials. So there might be things I do wrong. I've been having Dyson Airwrap for almost a year now, and I'm going to be honest with you, I wanted to sell it many times. Yes, and I'll tell you why later in today's video. So today I'm going to show you how I style my hair and answer the question if it's worth your money. First things first, what's in it? One sec. Oh my gosh, okay. Stay, it's showtime. So first we have the main tool itself. It comes with a cable. Okay. Next we have this dryer flyaway smoother. Then 1.2 inches long barrel. Where's the other thing? Oh, a soft smoothing brush, a 1.6 inches barrel, a round volumizing brush, which already has my hair on it, a filter cleaning brush, in case anyone cares, and a box. And it does have a cover, but I'm too lazy to look for it now. So this is it. In today's video, I'm going to use only two attachments, a round volumizing brush and barrels. Just before I get into this, in case anyone cares, I want to quickly show my hair care routine and products that I use. So a shampoo by L'Oreal, Vitamino Color, a hair mask, and a conditioner. Both are by Moroccan Oil. I use this only once a week, and this one with every wash, basically. Then a hair oil, also by Moroccan Oil. A heat protection, of course, it's a must-have. You just spray it, so I like it, it's easy. And a hairspray, which I don't have here. One sec, I'll bring it. And this hairspray, but I have this tiny little bottle as I wanted to test it first before buying like a larger amount, and that's a good one. Also, I personally think that if you have layers in your hair, then the curls and blowout will simply look and last better. Before I didn't have that, now I have that, so I know the difference, okay? So how do I use a round brush and do my blowout? I'll show you. So before I give myself a blowout, I want to make sure my hair is prepped and protected. Brush is a very important tool. I'm gonna brush through my hair, just like, you know, to get out, tangled hair out of the view. So what I'm gonna do first, I'm going to apply a little bit of Moroccan oil on the very ends of my hair. That's probably how much I'm going to use. Good. Done. And then I'm going to use Perfect Defense, as it says. So shake it. Okay, that's enough. You don't want to add like too much of this product, because last time I did that, it made my hair feel a little bit sticky. Okay, finito. Yeah, I like to do a rough blow dry first, making sure that my scalp and roots are dry. So for that, I'm just gonna use this attachment over here and just blow my hair. Everything I use is usually on max. So just a little bit of this. And now I'm going to section my hair. And I usually use a scrunchie just because that, I don't know, feels easier for me that way. And just do this. And then they usually stay like that. Then I brush through my hair, just like that. Where do you think you're going, buddy? Stay, I said. I start with the temples, and I basically run this round brush through small sections of my hair a few times. Then I roll the brush up towards my head and hold for a few seconds. I use everything on max and just... Nothing groundbreaking, but yeah, easy peasy, doesn't take a lot of time, and I think it's one of my favorite. So yeah, that was a round brush attachment and the way I do my blowout. All right, so we've got two barrels. Now 1.2 inches barrel, I feel like it works better for longer hair and it creates tighter curls or waves, while 1.6 inches barrel creates loose bouncy curls but works better for short hair. And so that's why I'm going to use 1.2 inches barrel to create those tighter curls. So you just put it in this thing. Boom. Now these barrels, they have two opposite directions of airflow, and you want to make sure that then you curl your hair, the airflow is directed away from your face. So like that, not like that. So I personally like to do my curls the following day after washing my hair, just because that the roots are already dry and smooth, and I just find it easier to work with my hair this way. Okay, so first step, I'm going to lightly dampen my hair until it's like 70 to 80% damp and not dripping wet. Here you go, just like that. I feel like I have my hair like 70% damp. Step number 2, I apply heat protectant. Okay, I think it's enough. Next step, I'm going to section my hair. And for that, I think I'm just going to use a scrunchie and get half of them up so that they don't get into my way, and I will just work with them later on. Now I'm going to use Airwrap barrel on small sections. Okay, so this is the section of hair I'm going to use. And just pull it down. And that's not how it should look like. And then pull it down. And here's the curl. What I'm going to do next, grab it like that. It should be like a donut with a little hole in it. You just roll it up a little bit. Use a hair clip, boom, clip it. You can just clip it like that and leave it hanging like that. And I'm gonna move to the next strand of my hair. Yes, I'm just gonna look like that for now. All right, now, once I have my curls pinned, I'm just gonna let them cool completely for like at least 10 to 15 minutes, even more. And yeah, and then I'm gonna come back. This hairstyle definitely takes longer than the blowout. Hi, hello. Okay, I'm scared of myself too. Okay, I let the curls cool completely for more than 15 minutes now. I think it's time to gently unpin them. And I'm so excited about this part because I really want to get them out of my hair. So let's unpin them gently. Ooh. Here you go. I let them breathe now. Yeah, I'm looking like a poodle. Okay, so next step is to use hairspray. So it smells so good, I love it. Now the final step is I brush out through my hair with a white tooth comb. So very gently, yeah, just to make them look more loose. Here you go, just like that, kinda. Or I just simply go through the curls with my fingers. Boom. And yes, that's how the curls look from the back. I could brush a little bit more through my hair, but the curls will drop, so I just don't feel the urge doing that. Alright, so this is how I curl my hair using Dyson Airwrap 1.2 inches barrel. Yeah, bouncy bouncy. So, is it worth your money? There are 4 ifs. If you have fine to medium thick hair, if your hair holds the curls, if you feel like you could get the most use of all of the attachments, and if you have the need to use it often, then the answer is yes. But just to be clear, it's not a magic wand, and it's still damaging your hair as it's hot air. So proper prep and hair products are a must. And everyone's hair is different, so we want to do proper research. Okay, so why did I want to sell my Dyson Airwrap for many times? So basically I use only 2 attachments out of 5. My favorite attachment is a round brush, and I personally prefer a blowout hairstyle versus the curls, and simply because it's easier to get it done. Yes, I still have it, even though I only use it once a week, but I feel like it's enough for me. And I think I just gotten used to that. But if I had to buy this again, I would not. Simply because I don't feel like I used the most of it. Maybe only like 50% if not less. And yet I paid the full price. So in my case, it's just not worth it. And yes, I can just go ahead and sell it anytime, so we'll see. So yeah, I hope this video helped you somehow. If not, then that little kid literally says no. It didn't help. Well, okay, so Dyson Airwrap, the one I'm using, will be linked down below. And in case I missed something or you've got any questions for me, please let me know in the comments below. And yeah, thanks for hanging with me today. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye-bye.